We're at Portsmouth University. William, can you tell me a little bit more about the university and the metrology engineering section that you got here?
Yeah, we have over 500 students in the School of Engineering here, and this facility is available for them to use, particularly for their final year projects, their dissertations. We also support a lot of master students and PhD researchers. They can come in here and use this equipment to get the data they need to finish their projects.
So today we're here on behalf of Mitutoyo UK. Now you guys have invested a lot of money in some of their equipment, but could you tell me what you have and how it helps your students?
Absolutely. We have a CMM machine, we have a quick vision non-contact CMM machine, we have a form tracer and a roundness tester. We had a lot of this equipment previously, and it was Mitutoyo before, but it was old and obsolete, and Mitutoyo did a fantastic deal bringing us up to modern spec.
So from a learning curve, William, have you been to their facility in Andover to help your training?
Absolutely. I've been there for the extended CMM course, and I'll be shortly going there for the quick vision training.
And in reference to service and backup from Mitutoyo, how would you rate them?
Very, very well. Particularly with the CMM, I've had some very good support.
And when your students come in with all types of different things they need to measure, how does it work in this facility for them and you?
They will book time and they'll come and see me to discuss their needs, and we'll arrange, depending on what the project requires. They'll come in, I'll teach them how to use the equipment, walk them through it, and I'll often let them take the actual data themselves before they move on with the next step of their project.
And do you have reverse engineering here for students as well?
Yes, we do. A lot of product design students will bring items in they need checked out, either things that they're trying to interface with or things they're trying to investigate how it was manufactured.
So is it just mechanical engineers that use your facility here?
No, mostly mechanical engineers. We also have manufacturing engineers, we have design engineers, we also have a few electrical taking advantage of this.
And I suppose from Mitutoyo's point of view, they're investing potentially in future engineers that may be on a shop floor, running a shop floor, cutting materials. Do you feel that it's a good branding opportunity for them?
Absolutely. I think our students get a real appreciation for the quality of Mitutoyo equipment.
Well, it's certainly cutting edge stuff, but also measurement edge stuff that you got here. Thanks very much for your time, William.
No problem. Thank you.